Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hardest Math. It's me Binesh Kumar Mandal, and today also I came with one of the new questions. As you can see here. The question is x to the power minus 2 to the power 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2, and it is asked to solve for x the root of x. So if you would like to give this problem a try, then just pause the video, give it a try. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's see how to solve these questions. So first of all, I'm going to take this 2 to the power minus x. As you can see here, this 2 to the power minus x. So as we know the laws of indices, if there is 2 to the power negative power, and if there is 2 to the power minus x, then this can be written as 1 by 2 to the power x. Here 2 to the power minus x, so this can be written as 1 by 2 to the power x. Now this 1 by 2 to the power x can be written also written as 1 by 2 whole to the power x. Now 1 by 2 to the power x can also be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power x, because 1 to the power x is 1 and 2 to the power x is same to the power x. So 2 to the power minus x can also be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power x. 2 to the power minus x can also be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power x. So now if we solve these questions, then this can be solved as x to the power minus 2 to the power minus 2 to the power. See here we have a 2 to the power minus x, 2 to the power minus x, and 2 to the power minus x can also be written as 1 by 2 to the power x, 1 by 2 whole to the power x. So we can write here 1 by 2 whole to the power x, and is equal to, we do have here 2. Now we have a next rule in law of indices. If there is a x square is equal to something a, then x would be here square root of a. To remove this square, we have to take a square root on both sides. So while taking a square root on both sides, now from this square root will be cancelled by this 2, and we do have here a square root. Or if we have x cube is equal to something b, then x is equal to this will be cube root of b. So if we remove the power from here, then this power will be written as the degree of the roots, as the degree of this root. So now suppose if we have x raised to the power 4 is equal to something a, then x is equal to, this will be fourth root of a. So what do we have a power here? That would be written as the degree of this root here. So in the same way we have here x to the power this whole we have as a power. See, we have this whole as a power minus 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x. This whole we have this whole as a power. So if we remove this power from this side, then this can be written as x is equal to minus 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x. The same rule I have followed here. This rule I have followed here. See the rule here. If we have a power 2 here, then this 2 came here, and if we have a power 3, then x is equal to this power 3 came here, and if we have a power 4, then this 4 came here, this power 4 came here. So in the same way we have a power this, so this came here. Now or x is equal to, now this can be written as 2 to the power 1 by minus 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x. I will make you understand how. If there is something cube root of a, then this can be written as a to the power 1 by 3. If there is a fourth root of a, then this can be written as a to the power 1 by 4. So if there is, suppose cube root of a square, then this can be written as a to the power 2 by 3. So it means to say, what do we have here? What do we have a degree? What do we have the degree of this earth? This degree will be written as the denominator of the power of the radicand here. This is a radicand here. In the same way, we have a degree 4 here, and the radicand is a. So it this radicand does not have any power. It means we have a power 1. So this degree 4 is written as the denominator of the power of the radicand. Power of the radicand is 1, so its denominator is 4. So we have degree 3 and its power, the power of radicand is 2. So this 3 will be written in the denominator of the power of the radicand. So power of the radicand is 2, so its denominator is 3 here, because we had a degree 3 here. In the same way, we have a degree this minus 2 power 1 by 2 whole power x. This was a degree, and so this degree will be written as the denominator of the radicand, and this 2 radicand doesn't have any power, so it means it has a power 1 here, and therefore I have written this degree as the denominator of the power of the radicand 1. Power of the radicand was 1, so I have written this in the denominator of this. Now if we have a 1 by a to the power 2, then this can be written as a to the power minus 2. If we bring it to the numerator, then this will be written as a to the power minus 2. This is the law of indices. And suppose if we have a to the power 1 by a to the power 3, then this can be written as a to the power minus 3. So if we bring it to the numerator, then this will have negative power here. So in the same way, we have here 1 by minus 2 and to the power 1 by 2 to the power x. We have this here. So see, minus 2 has a power here 1 by 2. Now if we bring this minus 2, if we bring this to the numerator, because it was in the denominator, because it is in the denominator now. Now if we bring it to the numerator, then this would have negative power here, minus 1 by 2 whole power x, like this. See, we have 1 by a cube, 1 by a cube, 1 by a to the power 3. Now if we bring this a to the power 3 to the numerator, then this will have negative power. In the same way, we had here minus 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole power x. So this is the power, 1 by 2 is the power, and if we bring it to the numerator, then this would have negative sign here. This will have negative power here, so I have put here negative sign. So in the same way, we can have here x is equal to 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 whole power x. I think you did understand this. See, 1 by minus 2 power 1 by 2 whole power x becomes here 1 by minus 2 power 1 by 2 whole power x becomes here minus 2 power minus 1 by 2 whole power x. I have already explained it, that how it becomes. Now I have already told you that if there is a negative power, suppose 2 has a negative power x here, and this can be written as 1 by 2 power x, or this can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power x. In the same way, we have here, you can take this much, we can take this much here, we can take this much. See here, if we take this much, then we have here 2 power minus 1 by 2 whole power x. So 2 has a negative power here, so it means it can be written as 1 by and 2 power 1 by 2 power x. This, and this can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 power x. This can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 whole power x. See here, if we had 2 power minus x, then this was written in the form of 1 by 2 power x, and is equal to, this can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power x. So in the same way, we have here 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power whole power x. So this can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 power x, because 1 to the power 1 by 2 power 1 to the power something is 1, and 2 to the power this is same 2 to the power 1 by 2 power x. So in this way we can write here that x is equal to 2 to the power. This can also be written as x is equal to 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 whole to power 1 by 2 whole to the power x. So we have here x is equal to 2 power minus 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power whole power x is equal to 2. So this is now we can take this much. Now I am going to take this much. Suppose if we have 2 power minus 1 by 2. Suppose if we have 2 to power minus 1 by 2, then this can be written as 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 2 raised to power 1 by 2, and this can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So see here, if we do have 2 to the power negative 1 by 2, then this can be written as 1 by 2 raised to power 1 by 2, and this can also be written as 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2, because 1 to the power 1 by 2 is same 1, and 2 to the power 1 by 2 is 2 to the power 1 by 2, as you can see here. I already explained it. So now this can be written as x is equal to 2 power minus 1 by 2. 2 power minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2, and its whole power we have here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole power we have x here. So up to here we have already solved. Now we are very close to our answer. Now I will make you understand the one rule. Suppose if we have x. Suppose if we have square root of x is equal to 2, then to remove this square root we do squaring on both sides. To cancel this root, because it has a degree 2 here. So x is equal to, it becomes 4. Suppose if we do have cube root of x is equal to 3, then to remove this cube root we do cubing on both sides. So cube root of x whole cube is equal to 3 cube. So by this cube root will be cancelled by this cube. So now it will be x is equal to 27 in this way. So as you can see, if we do have its degree as a 3, then we do cube on both sides. If we have its degree as a 2, then we do square on both sides. Suppose if we do have fourth root of x is equal to 2, then we do raised to power 4 on both sides. If we raise to power 4 on both sides, then this could be written as x to power 4 is equal to 2 to power 4. Now from this fourth root will be cancelled, and finally we do have x is equal to 16. So in this way we can solve this. So see here, we have here x. So this x can also be written as, see here we have an x here, and this x can also be written as, we can take its xth root, and if we do put its power x, then this x and this x root will be cancelled. Finally we do have here x. So this x can also be written as xth root of x whole power x. Xth root of x whole power x, because square root of 2 whole power 2 is same 2. Square root of 2 whole power 2 is same 2, because we can cancel this square root from this power. So we do have a same 2 here. In the same way we have here xth root of x whole power x is same x. So in place of x we can have here, in place of x is equal to, x can also be written as xth root of x raised to power x, xth root of x raised to power x, xth root of x raised to power x. In the same way we can write it, because from this x root will be cancelled, and then from this x root will be cancelled, and then from this x root will be cancelled, and finally we do have only x here. So I am going to write it in this form here. and this x can be written in this form. So we can have here x root of x raised to power x, x root of x raised to power x, x root of x raised to power x. That is equal to, we have here 1 by 2 to power 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power x. So see here, if we see the pattern, of this equation, then we have here, we can see here we have a power x, and here also we have a power x. See, we have a power x, and here also we have a power x. So this whole will be equal. So we can have here x root of x raised to power x root of x raised to power x root of x, that is equal to, this could be 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power 1 by 2. So if we see the pattern, if we do have, as we know one more rule of indices, if there is x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2, then we do have x is equal to 2. Or if we do have x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 3 to the power 3, so we do have a 3, x is equal to 3. This is the rule. So by this rule, if we see the pattern, of this one, then x root of x to power x root of x to the power x root of x is equal to, we have 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. So we can have here x root of x is equal to 1 by 2. We can equate this and this. So x root of x is equal to, we have 1 by 2. In the same way, see here we have x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2. So x is equal to, we have 2, x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 3 to the power 3, and x is equal to, we have 3. In the same way, we have here x root of x to the power x root of x to the power x root of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. So x root of x would be here 1 by 2. So this is our final answer. So in this way we can solve these questions. So I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos. So if you like the videos, then like it, comment down below, and share it to your friends. And at last, please subscribe to our channel. And if you do not understand any step, if you do have any confusions, then please let me know in the comment sections. Thanks for watching, and thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you so much.